Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Redmi 15. Okay, so we can reset this device through the settings or through the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the reset from the settings. Let's open them up. Now let's click on About Phone. Let's scroll down once again, click on Factory Reset, and in here simply click on Erase All Data. It is really simple. And once you have done that, your device will be turned off, then it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Remember that during the reset you will lose all of your data, so if you don't have a backup you won't be able to restore the data. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, so that's the first method. Simply click Erase All Data and follow the instruction on the screen. And now let's go straight with the second method. For this method we need to power off our device first, so let's tap the power button and volume up button first, and let's click on power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, so simply hold both of the buttons and keep holding them. Alright, keep holding. Now we can release the power button. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, we need to select Wipe Data and confirm by clicking the power button. Again, select Wipe All Data, select Confirm, click the power button. Now the process has started. It won't take long, so don't worry. Okay, data wipe successfully. Click on Back to Main menu. Now select the reboot, click the power button, reboot the system, and now we need to simply wait until our device gets turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.